So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy concert tickets on Gametime. So once Gametime's opened up, go to the bottom left and make sure that the buy tab is selected. Once you guys are here, if you're looking for concert tickets specifically, go to where it says Discover Sports Music. Go ahead and press on Music right here. Now, where it says, top artists, you can go ahead and see all events right here. You can also go to the top and just select performance. You can also go to the top as well and select your location. So you can go ahead and select a location. I'll just keep Minneapolis for this example. So if you wanted to go to maybe Lady Gaga, for example, because it's up right here, we'll go ahead and just press on that. It'll go ahead and show you the dates, so we'll go ahead and we'll press on this date right here. Now it's going to be showing you guys the price as well as sort of a map of the venue. So if you wanted to go ahead and select whatever, you can go ahead and do that. You can also change the ticket number as well. So for example, if you wanted to go ahead and continue with this one, it'll show you the time, the seats together, etc. So it'll also show you kind of a rough view of it. So we'll go ahead and press continue. So once you're at the checkout screen right here, it'll show you your price. You can go ahead and view the details right here of the price. You can select your payment. So I have Apple Pay selected, but you can pay with PayPal, credit card, or Affirm. It'll show you your receipts. And if all looks good, go ahead, press on buy, and you can proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy concert tickets here on Gametime. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.